Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got iPhone 12 to unbox. I've got three different colors. I didn't get the white and the black, but I have the red, the green and the blue. These look fantastic. Before I start to unbox, I do want to focus on the packaging. So we've all heard the rumors Apple was going to remove the headphones, the wall plug, and those things are gone. So the packaging has been reduced significantly. Just for comparison, I'm going to show you the previous gen iPhone, or I'm going to show you how the packaging was done previously and how thick it is compared to this iPhone. So on the left I've got the iPhone XR, and then on the right I have the iPhone 12 mini. So you can tell like how thick it is. You could actually put two iPhone 12 mini boxes on top. Now that we got that out of the way, let's just start unboxing. I'm going to start with the red one, and I'm looking forward to this. It's going to look amazing. Green and the blue. Just going to take these iPhones out and then go through the packaging. As you can see, no headphones and no wall plug. Those are two things missing from here. So we have a lightning cable here. This is a USB-C at the end. That's a really good move from Apple. I'm only waiting for the lightning to be converted into a USB-C. The other thing you'll get in the box is this, designed by Apple in California, and you get product red card. I'll let you read this for a second. And then you get the usual, you get your SIM card removal tool, you get before using your iPhone booklet, and then you get a single Apple sticker. Okay, looking forward to this. Really liking the color. You've got the red, the blue and the green. On the bottom of the iPhone you have the lightning connector, then you've got speakers, you've got two holes here and then four, and then you've got the screws there. And you can see the line here for the antenna. Okay, so what is my first impression? Well, the design reminds me of the classic iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S design. Also reminds me of the iPad Pro design that we currently have, and of course the MacBook Pro that we currently have. I do like this design a lot better than the iPhone 6S design, the iPad Air design, the previous gen. So I do prefer this. I mean, it's nicer to hold. The size is just perfect. I mean, for my hands, this phone feels good. I mean, I've been using the iPhone XR, I've been using iPhone 10, iPhone 11. So those are bigger phones. So this does feel small in the hand. For those of you who are waiting for a smaller iPhone, I think this is a perfect size for you guys. Camera bit actually looks slightly bigger for the iPhone body itself, but of course you're getting a really good camera on this. It's not just a previous gen iPhone camera, it's an updated camera. It's pretty much like the iPhone 12 Pro. And that's not all, guys. It's got a 5.4 inch Super Retina XDR display. It's 5G enabled. It's got Dolby Vision HDR video. It's got an A14 Bionic chip. You get up to 15 hours of video playback. It's got a ceramic shield front, and it's compatible with MagSafe accessories. I want to take a moment to look at the colors. Red really is a fantastic color. Aluminum frame around looks pretty red, but the back, especially this bit here, is more of a salmon pink. The actual back is like pinkish and not red. If you think this is going to be as bright as the iPhone 8 that we had in red, it's not going to be like that. This green here is more of a minty green, especially the back. This is really light. You can't barely tell that it's green. It's one of my favorite colors actually. It's nice and pastel-y green. Aluminum frame looks really good. And then you have the blue. This is really dark blue. And the back is slightly lighter than the aluminum frame. And then you've got lighter glasses where the cameras are. Overall, this phone is great. I highly recommend it, especially if it's your first iPhone. And that is it, guys, for today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share the video. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. And the next video is actually going to be about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so stay tuned.